Returning officer ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency SC Sadhu ula pentip bagi nong tray sarkar ki balik duty election Lok Sabha ha ka khat khandai trek yayong bat ki ba ompat dep ban thep yaki postal ballot kin yok kalat ban thep ha ki arsni kata arpu ar bat arpesan trek yayong ha ki jaka ki bala pen kre ha ka lengki district.
The people who are deployed for election duties and emergency services, they can vote postal ballot, but for the for drivers who are engaged in elections, because we need lot many vehicles also to go to the polling stations to carry our polling personnel. So, but they can apply. Their application time is within we have given around the 6th or 8th of April. Once we get these applications, they can vote. We have identified the specific dates where we have through facilitation center, we call it water facilitation centers. We set up particularly in different locations where they can vote subsequently also as per our schedule. It is not a continuous process, but we in advance, because we know that suppose during the process of elections, many people are actively engaged in elections, particularly drivers or police personnel or many other our officers also, who had this 24/7 responsibilities. So they would not get any time to cast even their postal ballot. So immediately after the elections, all these people, they would be relieved of their responsibilities. So we have identified 2 dates, that is 22 and 25, I guess, correct, if I remember correctly. So we have identified those 2 dates. We have informed political parties also, which is still allowed because it is before counting. So till counting, this process is still on. So these 2 dates, we have identified these dates and venues. They can come and cast their vote. So this is different from each district. They have decided dates differently, but in all districts they have planned the same.